I only get these 40 days to get back home.